Are you looking for the top 5 best carbon steel woks? Perfect your stir fry. Are you tired of subpar stir fries and uneven cooking? Here are the 5 best carbon steel woks I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Sumeguan 13.5-inch carbon steel wok. Let's kick things off with this Sumeguan 13.5-inch carbon steel wok. Priced at $42.99, what caught my attention was its pre-seasoned surface and impressive 6.4 quart capacity. If you want a wok that's ready to use right away and built to last, this one's worth a serious look. This wok solves your cooking challenges in multiple ways. First off, the pre-seasoned surface means you won't have to worry about rust, which is a common headache with traditional woks. This wok is engineered with nitrating technology, giving it a dense molecular shield that makes it resistant to scratches and corrosion. Plus, thanks to its spacious 13.5-inch diameter and 6.7-inch flat base, you can toss ingredients freely without overcrowding. You can easily whip up 3 to 6 servings, making it great for family dinners. The ergonomic wooden handle is another highlight, keeping cool during cooking and allowing for a secure grip. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its lightweight design of just 3.68 pounds, you can handle it without straining your wrist, even when the heat is on. Now, some people complained about the handle's durability after extensive use. Here's the thing though, as long as you're careful and avoid dropping it, I found it held up just fine. If you're a diligent cook who values maintenance, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This wok is perfect for you if you want something reliable and hassle-free for everyday cooking. Skip this one if you need a heavy-duty wok for professional use, but for home cooks looking for convenience, it offers fantastic value for money.
Product number 2, Yosukata 13.5 carbon steel wok. Next up is the Yosukata 13.5 carbon steel wok, priced at $62.99. This one grabbed my attention with its promise of authentic taste and its pre-seasoned feature. If you want a wok that delivers genuine flavors straight from your kitchen, this is definitely something to consider. The Yosukata wok enhances your cooking by locking in those essential juices and flavors, particularly for Asian dishes. Its pre-seasoned surface means it's ready to cook right out of the box, which is a huge plus if you're eager to dive into stir-frying. It's made from high-grade carbon steel, allowing for excellent heat distribution, which means no more unevenly cooked meals. When you're cooking at high heat, having a strong, reliable base like this one is crucial. Plus, it's compatible with all stovetops, including induction and open fire, making it versatile for any cooking environment. This matters to you if you're someone who enjoys experimenting with different cooking styles. However, a few users reported that it requires regular oil seasoning to maintain its non-stick quality over time. Here's my take. While some find this process tedious, it's essential for achieving that authentic flavor. And honestly, it's a small price to pay for a great wok that improves with use. This wok is perfect for anyone who loves authentic Asian cuisine and wants a reliable cooking tool. Skip this if you need something super low maintenance. It requires a bit of love but pays off in flavor. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize ease of use. Product number 3, Yosukata 13.5-inch blue carbon steel wok. Coming in at $94.99, we have the Yosukata 13.5-inch blue carbon steel wok. The vibrant blue color caught my eye, but what really stood out is its promise of true flavor and versatility. If you want a wok that adds a pop of color while cooking effortlessly, this one deserves your attention. The Yosukata Blue Wok is designed to retain flavors while giving you that genuine wok taste. It's pre-seasoned at high temperatures, so you can start cooking right away. The unique flat bottom not only provides stability, but also ensures even heat distribution, essential for those perfectly cooked stir-fries. The ergonomic wooden handle enhances comfort, making it easy to maneuver even during those lengthy cooking sessions. This wok is heavy-duty, weighing 4.1 pounds, which makes it feel substantial and professional, perfect for serious home cooks. Here's why this matters for you. A heavier wok means better heat retention, which is critical when you're searing or frying. However, its weight can be a downside for some. A few users mentioned that it felt a bit cumbersome. Here's the thing though, if you're used to lighter pans, it may take some getting used to, but for those who appreciate a quality product, this is more than worth it. This wok is ideal for anyone who enjoys cooking flavorful meals and wants a stylish yet practical addition to their kitchen. Skip this one if you prefer super lightweight cookware, but otherwise it offers great value for those serious about their cooking. Now, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly,
Product number 4, Lydon 12.8 Carbon Steel Wok. Next, we have the Lydon 12.8 Carbon Steel Wok, priced at just $32.99. This caught my eye not only for its affordability, but also its comprehensive 11-piece set. If you're looking for a solid starter wok with a bonus, this might be perfect for you. This wok is made from quality carbon steel and is pre-seasoned at the factory, so it's ready to use right away. What makes this product stand out is the inclusion of 11 accessories, such as a slotted spoon and spatula, which take the guesswork out of what you need to get started. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, which is great if you're new to wok cooking. Plus, the honeycomb construction helps reduce sticking, making cleanup easier. This matters because as a beginner, you want to minimize frustration while mastering your stir-fry skills. However, some users pointed out that its smaller capacity of 1.25 liters may not be enough for larger families or gatherings. Here's the thing, if you often cook for a crowd, you might want to consider larger options, but for personal use or small meals, it's a great fit. This wok is perfect for those just starting their cooking journey, or anyone looking for a budget-friendly option with added tools. Skip this one if you frequently host large family dinners, but it's definitely a steal for the price. Now, if you're still looking for a slightly larger capacity, the last product on my list may just be what. Product number 5, Todlabe 13-inch Carbon Steel Wok. Finally, let's take a look at the Todlabe Non-Stick Wok, priced at $29.99. At first glance, it seems like a steal for a 13-inch option. If you want a wok that combines great performance with affordability, this is definitely worth considering. The Todlabe wok features a unique pre-seasoned surface that creates a natural non-stick layer, which means you can cook with less oil and still achieve great results. This is huge for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. It heats up 30% faster than cast iron, making it a quick option for busy nights. The wide flat base ensures even cooking across all stovetops, which is essential for consistent results. Plus, the dual handle design makes it easier to lift and toss food, which can really enhance your stir-frying game. Here's why this matters. If you're juggling a busy schedule, this wok can help you whip up meals in no time. However, the downside is that it requires hand washing, as it's not dishwasher safe. Some may find this inconvenient, but honestly, if you're serious about maintaining a good non-stick surface, hand washing is often recommended for longevity. This wok is perfect for those who want a reliable and efficient cooking tool without breaking the bank. Skip it if you prefer to. So, to quickly recap, we started with the Sume Iguan, which is great for ready-to-use convenience. Then the Yosukata for authentic flavor, the Yosukata Blue for style and professionalism, the Lydon for budget-conscious beginners, and finally the Todlabe for efficiency and performance. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Yosukata 13.5-inch carbon steel wok because it balances quality, authenticity, and versatility. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Lydon if you often cook for larger groups due to its smaller capacity. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.